In this video, I have a 2019 Subaru Outback, and I'm going to show you the 3 ways you can open up the back hatch. The first way, of course, is using the key fob. You'll go ahead and press the hatch trunk icon on your key fob, press and hold. And after about 2 seconds, it will open up. The second way to open it is using the button on the back. There's a handle right here. There's a little section where you can put your fingers in right next to the camera. So you'll just push that button one time and it'll open up the same way. And then the third way to open up the hatch on the back is on the driver's side. There is a button. You can go ahead and press and hold this button for about 2 seconds, and then that will reopen it as well. Couple things to keep in mind. Make sure there's no obstructions right here if you're having issues with it closing. It's going to go ahead and click into this latch assembly. That plate's going to go right in here, and that's how it's going to lock. If you need to close it, there's a button right here. This is kind of irritating about this vehicle, but everything's all automated, and it's just the hydraulics don't really allow you to slam it shut like you would in a different kind of vehicle. See how I'm like trying to push it manually? So you really have to use one of these 3 automated ways for it to close. I have had luck whenever it's a tight fit on the inside. If I push the button and I just give it a little bit of extra pressure right here, just to make sure that it doesn't bounce back open. Okay, but those are the 3 ways to open up the hatch on the 2019 Subaru Outback. Hope that was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.